Hello learners. In this session we are going to continue the previous lecture of printers and we will start by studying about non-impact printers. Non-impact printer. Non-impact printer use laser printing technology. A laser printer rapidly produces high quality text and graphics. Laser printers are often used in corporate, school, and other environments that require print jobs to be completed quickly and in large quantities. Non-impact printer. They use ink spray, toner powder, or are inkless. Advantages of non-impact printer are they are quiet, they can handle graphics and often a wide variety of fonts than impact printers, and they are fast in speed. The disadvantages are that they are more expensive than impact printer, occupy a lot of space, and the cost of maintaining is also very high. Now, let's see what a multifunction printer is. An MFP is an office machine which incorporates the functionality of multiple devices in one. A typical MFP may act as a combination of some or all the following devices. The devices include a printer, a scanner, photocopier, or a fax. Now, let's study the other type of non-impact printer, which is inkjet printer. The image represents an inkjet printer. Inkjet printer operates by propelling variably sized droplets of liquid or molten material, that is ink, onto almost any sized page. They are the most common types of computer printer used by consumers. Now let's head towards another type, which is thermal printer or inkless printer. Thermal printers work by selectively heating regions of special heat sensitive paper. These printers are commonly used in calculators and fax machines, and although they are inexpensive and print relatively fast, they produce low resolution print jobs.